So we're going to go into a breath-based body scan. A body scan is a way of really landing in embodiment. In the way the world has worked till now, we have managed to believe that intelligence is a cerebral event only. And we've dissociated from the body. The various cultures and religions and mythologies that have informed the Western culture have told us the body isn't worth listening to, that it's a place of grubby juice and, disrespectful and damaging feelings and that kind of thing, which is kind of sad, really. So we're bringing honor back to the body and we're beginning to understand the intelligence of the flesh. Flesh as intelligence. And that all intelligence arises out of the flesh. All emergent, individuated intelligence arises out of the flesh and is directly connected to the informational web that the whole universe is. So for this practice, I want you to close your eyes. And again, if you struggle to do that, half close them, three-quarter close them. It's fine either way. And then listen to the audio environment. Listen outwards. Remember, a really good access method for deeper meditative practice is to tune into the audio web first. So we're going there now. We're going to tune into the audio web. Big sounds, small sounds, sounds that are close to you, sounds that are far away, sounds that are random sputtering sounds or sounds that are persistent. Feeling into this constantly shifting and changing mandala of sound, which itself is vibration. Letting ourselves be really okay with the sound, so we're not going to distract ourselves with the sound. And then from there, come into the breath in the nostrils, mindfulness of breathing like we did way back in the course. So start to feel that breath coming in and out the nostrils. Now, in your own practice, you can spend more time with each of these preparatory aspects of the practice. You can go much deeper into the audio web and spend several minutes or more there. You can spend several minutes, up to 3 days even, tuning into the feeling of the breath in the nostrils. So it's not about time limiting it, it's about making it fit with your life as well. But tune into the breath in the nostrils. And then from there, we're going to start to manipulate the breath a little bit. We're going to take the breath a little bit longer on the inhale and into the exhale, into that coherent 4-part rhythmical breath. And with the breath now, you're taking the mind and scanning from the top of the head on the out-breath, down along the skin, down through the body, all the way down, 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 down. And then back up the body on the in-breath. If it doesn't work for you to do it on one breath, do it on several breaths. Maybe you'll want to slow that down and get really mindful of the attention onto the surface of the skin, scanning down the body like that. And that's a really good thing to do as well. So take the time. That's really good. You get the idea. So take this practice away. It's a meditative breath-based body scan that you can work with. And that's part one of it. You've already done the 7 waves of breath. You've already done feeling into the central line of awareness, that central axis of intelligence. So what we can do with this practice now is we can join these 2 practices together. If your attentional capacity is available for that. If not, take your time, slow it down. You've got decades to practice. It's not a problem. But if you're ready for it, if it feels right to you, you can scan the body up as you also bring the attention through that central axis, all the way to the crown. And then from the crown, down through the central axis as you scan down the outside of the body. So you're scanning at depth through the whole of this livingness, down the outside and up the inside at the same time. I'm just going to do it with you for a few breaths. Excellent. Keep doing it. Stay with the practice. Rest into it. Relax into it. Take more breaths for each body scan if you need to. You can take 4 or 5 or 6. It doesn't matter. Go deep into this. Go deep into really scanning and feeling the whole body. If we go too fast and skip over the body, it's not getting us into embodiment. It's just a mental practice. So really land in the flesh. Land in the central axis of intelligence. Feel it fully. Feel it fully and completely. And have fun with this body scan. Thank you.